Although rare, motorcycle accidents can result in injuries that have a lasting impact on your life. Victims can suffer devastating consequences that take their toll physically, emotionally, and financially, not only on themselves, but also on those around them. At Hudgell Solicitors, we work alongside some of the UK's leading motorcycle accident specialists to provide access to the very best rehabilitation support and advice available. So, if you have been the victim in a motorcycle accident through no fault of your own, then our specialist team will do all we can to secure you the compensation you need to help overcome the pain and trauma of a crash and get your life back on track. So call Hudgell Solicitors in confidence today on 0808 271 4031 or visit our website hudgellsolicitors.co.uk. Hudgell Solicitors. We see the person, not just the claim.